Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix cannot verify payment information. So if you're trying to enter the payment method on your iPhone device and you are facing the problem cannot verify payment information, so in this video I'll show you how you can fix this problem. If you are having this type of problem when you enter the payment method, you face this type of problem. So how you can fix this problem? First of all, here you'll have to go back. Then here again you will have to open your Apple ID. Then tap on media and purchases. Then after that, here tap on view account. After that, here you will have to wait for a few seconds. So first of all, here you have to tap on country or region. After that, tap on change country or region. Then here you will have to select your own country where you are living. Here I'm selecting my own country. You will have to select your country. So here I'm selecting my country, tap on this. Then after that, here wait for a few seconds. So these are terms and conditions. You will have to read these terms and conditions. And if you agree with these terms and conditions, you will have to tap on agree. Then after that, here just you will have to enter your payment method here. Enter your credit or debit card numbers. Then after entering the debit or credit card number, you will have to enter the expiry date. Then tap on security code, that is 3-digit number. Then after that, here you will have to scroll it below. Enter here your billing address. If you don't want to enter your original billing address, you can also enter the fake one. Then here tap on street. Then here you will have to enter the zip code of your city. If you don't know the zip code of your city, then you can check from Google. Then after that, here you will have to enter your mobile phone number. You can also enter the fake one. Then after that, tap on next. Then here you can see that the payment method has been added and verified on iPhone. Now let's get checked that the payment method has been added or not. Just open setting. Then tap on media and purchases. Then tap on view account. Then tap on manage payments. So here you can see that the payment method has been added and verified on my iPhone device. So this is a way through which you can fix this problem if your payment method is not verifying on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.